How's it going, everybody? So just wanted to update you on the current situation. Not good. So the motor almost overheated. I got it started, but it almost overheated. Then it wouldn't shut down. Then I got it shut down. Now it won't start again. Dinghy motor won't start. So Cito towed us out to this mooring ball. We're going to stay here probably until we get some wind in the next couple of days, and they're going to tow us out into the open water, and we'll go from there. We'll put the sail up and try to sail to Connecticut. So that is the current situation. Well, I'll keep you informed. Stay tuned. Bye.